Hey, this is John with Mr. Fence. Wanted to take a second today to go over setup on the bulls. So when you get these new out of the box, this is how it'll come in a tote. And contents will be, of course, you'll have your diagram of everything. You'll have a sleeve. You'll have a drive cap for the 2 3/8 post and an eye post. And then you'll have the unit. So this unit here is one of our newer units. This is called the Patriot. This one requires a little more downforce than the Bull does because this is a harder hitting unit, so there's more mass internally. And another thing that I wanted to touch base with is just to let everyone know that these hammers are designed to break before it does internal damage to these units. So it's never a bad idea to have an extra one of these at your shop just to save you from having any downtime waiting on parts. So pretty simple setup. You want to, if you don't have the hammer in, put your hammer in, then your sleeve will slide right over like that. So 13 mil, and then this is a 4mm Allen. So what we like to do is we will pull all of these out, and we like to red Loctite them because we've had them back off and we've lost them on job sites and stuff before. So just a little cheap insurance by putting some Loctite on them. You don't want to tighten one of these up too much because you want to make sure you can keep this thing as centered as possible. And you don't really want to snug these up. Just get them about that tight there because this jam nut is going to keep them locked in. It's just as simple as that, doing all 4 of those. You want to make sure out of the box that you take WD-40 and you just want to give it about a half a second squirt. Open this valve up, roll it over, make sure that you get it all down in there. The WD-40 isn't necessarily for lubrication, it's more for just to keep water out of the system and to keep everything clean because the tolerances are really tight on this. So that's pretty much everything as far as setup on it. These do offer 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. You do want to try to get with us and have us and make sure that you register your product. So it's easy if you do have a warranty or anything like that. And so I believe we're offering both the Bull and the Patriot as of right now. So get online, check us out, man. And if there's anything we can do, don't be shy. Give us a shout. Thank you.